Hello Toy Collector fans, Universal Toy Collector here and welcome to the channel. Join me today as I unbox some more mail and display the stuff that I've opened. Okay, so let's get this one open. Let's have a look, see what we got. Yeah, my pile of boxes now is coming down slightly, so shouldn't have too many of these left. Okay, so I've got some vintage collection figures. So VC248. So I've got a couple of those there. Awesome. Let's get that in shot. That's it. And oh, tell a lie, I've got 3 of them. Brilliant. Okay, so these are pretty cool. So I've got the Ahsoka for these somewhere as well, so don't look too bad, do they? Pretty cool. Keep one in the card. There's the back of the card there. Yeah, VC248. Yeah, so I keep one in the card and then open the other 2. So let's get these out of the way. Get the next one in. So get this one open. See what we've got in here. Again, you know, like I've said before in previous videos, I've got so many boxes that need unopening. I've forgotten what's in what box and what I've ordered and stuff like that. So, okay, yeah. So we have Ahsoka. Oh, you bastards. Stormtrooper there with the web cannon. Awesome stuff. So yeah, I do like these. These are pretty cool. These look good in display. When I get round to displaying them, I've literally just finished restyling the room and rejigging the room and stuff like that, moving stuff about, thinking that I'd have more space to display stuff. It's totally the opposite. I've somehow managed to lose space, so I've had to put more stuff in storage. Let me get these out of the way. So I'm gonna have to speak to the wife about getting a bigger place. It's ridiculous. Right, what else we got? So it's 2 lots of Star Wars there. That's what we've got here. This is from Forbidden Planet. I can't for the life of me remember what I've ordered from them, so oh God, blimey. So more Clone Wars there. The cards on these are bent. I'll be opening these anyway, these ones I think. Do you know, for the life of me I cannot remember ordering these. That's ridiculous. So we have BC214, Barriss Offee, VC215, Luminara and Dooley, and then Alea Secura 217. Yep, so these are pretty cool. So these are going to be opened at some point. I probably won't open the vintage collection ones today and display them. I'll leave that for another day. I know I've got something here that I do want to open up. This is from eBay. Again, I've got about 3 or 4 from eBay, so I haven't got a clue what's in here. Always makes me nervous when I'm opening a box, but it's packed fairly well. Oh, would you know it? look at this. Jesus Christ. There you go. More Star Wars. So we've got the 50th anniversary. Power of the Force there. Han Solo. Let's have a look at the face sculpt. It's supposed to be a better face sculpt. Yeah. Where am I going? There you go. That's not too bad, is it? Yeah, this one's going to be opened. Right, what else we got? Let's have a look ski. Let's have a little look ski. Oh gosh. Okay, well this is going to be a Star Wars day. So let's get this right out of the way and I'll ease up. So we've got more 50th anniversary there. These are definitely staying on the card. These look absolutely amazing. I'm liking those. Wow. They look pretty decent. Get that shit out of the way. Move the knife. So who we got? Mace Windu there. That's a nice looking figure. Wow. I do like that. He looks pretty cool. And the Clone Wars art there. Awesome. General Grievous. This is the only General Grievous I do have in the Black Series. I missed out on the first version. I'm not too sure whether I'll get them or not, but again, these just look absolutely fantastic. I'm liking these card backs. There's Art Trooper there. Fordo. How cool is that? Wow. Yeah, really happy with these. These are great. Really like those. Awesome stuff. Yeah, so moving on to the next one. This one's slightly bigger. I know what this is. And there's only one person I have to blame for me getting this. And I'll tell you who that is in a minute when I get it out. There you go. Oh, wow. It's unbelievable. Right, I'm just going to take this off. It's the biggest box in the world. It's got the smallest, well, you'll just see in a minute. Okay, so the person I have to blame for this would be Shabby Geek. I watched a video of his, I think it was 5 nights unboxing with Shabby, and he opened this and I thought, wow, I really do like this. So I thought, well, I might as well get it. So I did. So cheers for that, Shabby. Your influence there rubbed off on me big time. So give me a couple of seconds. I'm going to get this opened up and then show you the pieces, and then I'll get it put together and put it on display. See you in a second. Okay, so I've gone handheld with this. So here we go. Here's the contents. I won't lie, this looks absolutely amazing. Wow. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I know the TV series was camp as anything, but it's a cult classic. Absolutely awesome. I do have some action figures on the way, or they're already here. I just haven't opened those yet, so they'll be on a different unboxing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this put together and get it set up. There you go. Awesome. Back in a sec, guys. There you go, guys. There it is, all set up. And wow, this looks absolutely fantastic. Once I get the figures in there, this is really going to look amazing. Absolutely brilliant. What a set. Very iconic. A cult classic. Yeah, this is going to look brilliant. So like I said, I've got figures on the way, or they're already here. I'll get those open in an opening. And then once I've done that, I shall put them on display. But I'm so happy with this. And I'm glad that I watched Shabby's video. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And it looks great on display. What a great display piece this is. Really happy with that. Well, there you go, guys. That'll do for today. So, yeah. Again, I'm just quite speechless by this. Actually, this is great. I'm really really excited about this. But yeah, it was just a few boxes and displaying this. I wanted this on display for a long time, but I've had nowhere to put it. But now I have. So yeah, that's it, guys. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to let you know of more content. And as always, there will be more content. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much. And we shall see you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe. Sorry guys, forgot to show you a haul there. So this is what I've opened today. Awesome stuff. Again, predominantly all Star Wars. But what can you do? I like Star Wars. There you go. I confessed. Thanks for watching. Okay, one last bit. Apologise. So I will have the final room tour video out this week. It's been a long time coming, but I really wanted to get this room sorted out to how I really wanted it. And now I pretty much have. Well, if I haven't, tough shit, because I'm not doing any more. This was painstaking, taking all those shelves down, filling the holes. What a nightmare. So yeah, just a quick glimpse. Like I say, a full room tour will be filmed this week and up on the channel. Again, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next one.